What's the most incredible coincidence that ever happened to you? My best friend died 15 months ago of ovarian cancer in a hospital following surgery to have it removed. We were friends for over 3 decades. I went to be with her on her deathbed. She didn't say much, but we had a few very good conversations in the days before she passed that I will never forget. The plan was that she would have chemotherapy following her surgery, and while I sat there with her, she suddenly said to me, "You know, with the chemo I'm going to lose my hair." I replied, "It doesn't matter, you will always be beautiful to me." She smiled back. She knew that her cancer was stage 4. The doctor said she also had 2 spots on her liver, metastases. It actually turned out to be many more, 8 or 10. She was very weak, as if close to death, but there is always that little glimmer of hope. One day when I sat with her, a nurse came into the room. Friends and family